Yo, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, Jay Knows Credit. One thing I want to do new is, because I'm your favorite guy in the hoodie, I just want to show some different hoodies in the video, not just the ones that I promote, as well as you can, order some of my Jay Knows Credit hoodies, the ones I have, different ones. Just here's the hoodie of the day right here. It's the Jordan Paris hoodie of the day. That's the hoodie of the day right now. You know what I'm saying? Just for my hoodie lovers out there, okay? But look, today's video is very simple, okay? How to remove ourselves from authorized users. Maybe you have one right now. Maybe it's beneficial, but maybe it's not, okay? But I'm gonna tell you the two things that you can do to remove yourself from an authorized user, okay? The first thing is you can do it online, okay? You can go online with some companies. The first step, if you don't know if you're an authorized user or not, or if you don't know if it's still on or if it's reporting well or not, is first get on, to access your credit report. Now, I do suggest a certain monitoring service that I just personally like, okay? I'll drop the links in the comments. I'll drop a couple of them. One I may get a commission for, and some I may not, okay? Just putting that out there. All right, but there's just some that's just easier to look at. My personal preference is Identity IQ, which I have a link if you want to get that. I have different links to help you save money on those things. Because everything's on one page, I just like to see everything on one page, okay? But once you identify the authorized user on your account that is there, maybe it is positive, okay? The way you can find out is, of course, look at that credit history. It could be negative. It might have some missed payments on there that can cause it to be negative, okay? So you possibly can just remove this and it not hurt you. But the way it can hurt you, though, is that maybe that is your longest line of credit history. Maybe that's got 10 years of history. It's got 1 or 2 late payments, but you only have a credit line right now that only has 1 year of history, okay? So in some instances, even having, a late payment or something on a credit line that's still open for a long time, it's a lot better than just removing it and then you're sitting there with only 1 year of history and it's not a lot to go by, okay? When creditors are looking at your credit history for credit decisions, they're looking at the whole picture, not just one thing, okay? So I'm just letting you know you could have an AU on your account that you might think you want to remove, but you may not, okay? So just keep those in mind. Now, as far as removing those, you can call. As far as the other option, you can call and get it removed. You can call whoever, let's say it's Chase or whatever, right? You got the Chases on your account. You can actually call Chase and be like, hey, I want to remove this. Like I said, it is going to remove the whole entire account. So all that history that you had with that is going to be gone as well. So keep that in mind. Now, as far as doing it online, when I say that, I want to go back to that. When I say that, I mean, like, let's say Chase, for an example, they may have a way for you to go online and just remove it. Now, being an authorized user, you may not have like a specific account to do that, but some websites do let you just go on there and remove it online. Some you can see, you can just pull up in Google, and some, of course, you just have to physically call them to get that thing removed, okay? But now, for those of y'all who do have it where for a fact it is negatively affecting your credit, you definitely want to get that removed as fast as possible, because if you do not, that can affect you long-term with things that you're not even thinking about, as well as you might have been denied for something and not have known that you were denied just because of that authorized user. Maybe you need to go back and reapply again, okay? But this is Jay signing out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you on the next video.